Hey guys, it's lilinthia again. And if I don't seem very focused on the camera, that's because first of all, I'm not exactly paying attention to what I'm doing. I'm doing this as a test run for the audio that the mic on my computer picks up because pretty soon I will be participating in a Let's Play on Miss McSassypants' channel. I'm pretty sure I said that right. Not positive. Apologize now if I just said that wrong. I'm used to calling her by her real name. Anyways, I will be doing a Minecraft Let's Play with her, and I'm actually in Minecraft right now. I'm just running around, doing some stuff. And I'm really, like I said, this is just an audio test, because I know the fan on my computer can get very loud. And yes, I know it's a problem I should fix, because my computer does tend to overheat a lot, because I'm one of those people who admittedly never turns their computer off. Yeah, I know I'm horrible about that. But anyways, this hopefully will be recording the first episode, the first episodes of this Let's Play on Saturday. And once we've done that, Miss McSassypants will be editing it and putting it together. Unfortunately, my computer does not have the capability or the programs to record the screen footage, so you will not be seeing anything from my point of view. However, the other two, I believe both of them have that capability, and if not, I know Miss Sassypants does for certain. But what we'll be doing is there's a world which I have already created that we'll be using, and I'm not currently in that world. I'm in a completely different world right now, but anyways, hopefully this Let's Play will work out. And yeah, and hopefully I won't be killed too many times, but if I get sent down mining, I will not be taking very much with me because I will die. That's just a known fact by now, and yeah, I need to eat. My hunger bar is starting to get low. Anyways, so if any of you know anything that might help muffle the sound of the fan, because I do not actually have an audio program on my computer either to help with that kind of stuff. And I know somewhere in our house we do have a headset with a mic, and I'm fairly positive it's somewhere in my room. The keyword there being somewhere, because I cannot remember where. Anyways, if any of you have a suggestion to help just like muffle the sound of the fan, or anything like that, I'd be greatly appreciative if you'd tell me, because I'm not exactly the most tech savvy out there. Anyways, this should be a good enough clip for the audio test, and if any of you have any questions as to what channel you'll be able to view this on, I should be putting annotations in the video here. Oh god, where did I climb up from? Where is it? Oh, there it is. But, yeah. And, I mean, hopefully we'll get these things up soon. I'm working on the thumbnail for the videos. And the sun is starting to get low in the sky in-game. So I will be heading inside. Oh, I need to eat. Eat. I forgot. Yummy bread. Almost filled me up. Anyways, yeah. Essentially, I am one of those people who really does not like to fight mobs. Thus, I surround everything with as many torches as I can. So there will be lots of torch making in this game. Hello, cow. You've been living inside my little hut for pretty much since I built the hut. But what will be going on is hopefully we'll get this all recorded Saturday, and we'll probably have a bit of difficulty doing so since it'll be the first time we're doing it. But other than that, it should work well. So hopefully this will work, and you'll hopefully be hearing from me within that video. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna be ending the test here now. So again, any suggestions on how to muffle the sound of the fan in my computer, let me know, because that would be very much appreciated. I can't talk. It's 11 o'clock at night here. I really should not still be up. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. And hopefully this works. I'm just repeating myself now, aren't I? That's it. I'm going to bed. See ya.